Happy birthday, dear Ora.
Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is most probably episode 4 or 5 of Life with Genesis. Hi. So basically, I just woke up, and to be quite frank with y'all, your little baby's been putting me through it. That little man has been like, like, let me tell you, he's been putting me through it. I want to put something so I can put you guys down. So basically, he hasn't been sleeping well because of fussiness. Like, he's gassy, he's like constipated. Like, I don't even know if he's constipated. So I tried 2 days ago. I gave him a laxative now, and in my head, it was gonna work. But he didn't poop, and I was like, okay, that's fine. And mind you, I'd stopped giving him his probiotics because I don't like to keep him on medication for a long period of time. So I'd stopped giving him his probiotics, and they were recommended because the drops help with colic and gassiness and all these things. So I thought they were gonna work. No, the past 3 days, Mama hasn't been sleeping. He sleeps like 2 hours, and then he's up 2 hours, and then he's up. And mind you, I'd gotten accustomed to the fact that my child can sleep for 5 hours to 6 hours, So last night, firstly, I put him to sleep, and I think he fell asleep. I put him to sleep at 9, and then an hour later he woke up. And at 11, I tried to also put him down to sleep, which he did. And then he woke up at 1. Okay, I was up with him. Then after 1, I think he woke up at 5 to 3. And I was just like, okay, I was up. Fine. At 5 to 4, it's like he ended up sleeping again. But then at 5 to 4, he was up. I was like, Dada, I can't. I can't. Please take your son. Please take your son, because I just couldn't. I was like, oh, we're doing tummy time, which he's not a fan of. But look at him. He's like, hey, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi. Tummy time. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Smile. Smile. He's a cute boy. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, baby. So, Caleb is learning to sit. He's learning to sit. And I can sit. Ready? Caleb. Caleb. Bunk. He can actually sit by himself if he's kind of like not doing much, and then he'll tilt. But there he is. So, don't mind the mess at the back. He just woke up from another nap, but he was sleeping under his chest. And now he's hungry. Say, look to the people. Hello, the people. Hello. Hello, the people. Hello. Yeah, so I think this is going to be it for today. We're going to give him his bottle of the day. That's the only bottle he has. It's at night. And then hopefully he'll sleep. But we shall see, because sleep is not your friend. Morning, you guys. So it's Saturday, the 15th of August. And yeah, Glowwies is somewhat sleeping. I kind of woke him up. I wanted to take a Snapchat, but then when I switched on Snapchat, they had like this loud ass filter, and then it kind of woke him up. Him and his dad, I was going to take a picture of them, 'cause now they're up, I think. I'm not sure. To be quite frankly, he does not sleep at night. He prefers to sleep in the daytime, which is weird because before, like, it's just as he hit 3 months, maybe I'm not sure. He was sleeping like 5 hours at night, 5 to 6 hours. I don't know if it's sleep regression or what, but he's sleeping 2 hours every night, 2 hours every night, unless he's sleeping on my arm, which makes him sweat, which gives him heat rash, which I try to avoid doing. But lately I'm just like, boy, come here, sleep on my arm. But he's sleeping now. We were up at 5 a.m. up until 6:30. And currently it's 22:10. So we just woke up. I woke up like maybe at 9:20. And yeah. But anyway, today TikTok and Instagram happened. I'm planning to tie-dye with bleach an old hoodie of mine and maybe a black t-shirt if I can find one, an old black t-shirt. And I'm gonna see. I've been wanting tie-dye stuff for such a long time, but now I'm just like, let's DIY it. So that's a plan what I'm gonna do today. I first need to go home because I know at home my mom has elastic bands. I need to go home, get elastic bands, come back and tie-dye it. And I'm gonna do it all on camera and see how it works.
Yeah. Picture me rolling round in the Benzo, all black, windows tinted with the.
So we're back home. We were running a couple of errands, but now we're back home. It's currently like, wow, 4:45. We got out the house at 11, but it's 4:45 now. I went home to check on my mom, to see my family basically. I was home for a little bit, and then yeah, now we are hungry, and some people are like tired. He slept and woke up, slept and woke up, slept and woke up, so that happened. But now we're home. Now he's taken by the lights in the house.
Stay slow, same homies I was with from the get-go. Hold it down till it's slower than a limbo. Breaking bread, put the fam on my payroll. Never slip, better check who you with, bro. Ride or die chick, she won't get my info. Even if I sold packs with the endo. I got dreams of living life that's lavish. Work too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it. Dreams of living life that's lavish. Work.
Good morning, everybody. Hi. It's Sunday. It's 7:30 in the morning. I've been up since 6. We've been up with Genesis, but we slept last night. Thank the Lord. Hallelujah. We actually really slept last night. Right now, I'm currently sitting by the laptop over there, watching something and editing something. I'm editing vlog 2 of Life with Genesis. Okay, so I'll put an ad here, or it'll show up at the end of the video so that you guys can watch it if you guys haven't watched it yet. Yeah, this is how I look when I wake up, guys. And also we're going back to we're going to level 2 from Monday. So the Strata is basically opening. That's basically what's happening. The streets are opening, but with restrictions. We're not going to be hitting, I think, safe to do, just let September pass and then maybe attend. But like right now, I don't think anyone in my family is going to be doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna.
Too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it.
I'm jaded. See me in a drop top, faded. Beaming to the top, yeah, I made it. Praying on God, I've been waiting. I'm jaded. See me in a drop top, faded. Beaming to the top, yeah, I made it. Praying on God, I've been waiting.
Alright, look, I'm already a star. Envisioned the shit from the start was engraved in my heart. This shit was.
So guys, like I said, I'm gonna tie-dye. I'm gonna try to tie-dye a couple of things. 2 items actually. And let me show you the 2 items that I have. It's a black crop top. It looks like this. This is the one that we're gonna tie-dye, hopefully. And then the other one is a hoodie, but it's a cropped hoodie as well. It's like this. I'm gonna start off with the crop top t-shirt first before I go to the hoodie. And then I'm gonna use Domestos. It says it's thick bleach and it's 3 times better at stain prevention. Multi-purpose thick bleach, summer fresh. We're gonna use this one. And I don't have elastic bands, I only have 3, so I had to improvise, and I'm just gonna use these to tie up the items. But I have 3 for the crop top just to test it out. And then I have this container over here. I have gloves because I ain't trying to burn my hands. And I also put down a black plastic bag on the counter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put half water in this container, water and then bleach, and then we're gonna get started.
Made to go far, never drop shit in the pot. This is really an art. Man, I could go bar for bar with all of the greatest Sims. Auntie has twisted the car, even that Kendrick Lamar. This isn't me taking it far.
Ooh, picture me rolling round in the Benzo, all black, windows tinted with the bass low. Same homies I was with from the get-go. Hold it down till it's slower than a limbo. Breaking bread, put the fam on my payroll. Never slip, better check who you with, bro. Ride or die chick, she won't get my info. Even if I sold packs with the endo. I got dreams of living life that's lavish. Work too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it. Dreams of living life that's lavish. Work too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it.
I'm jaded. See me in a drop top faded. Beaming to the top, yeah, I made it. Praying on God, I've been waiting.
Yeah, tryna go from 95 and paychecks to be debated on top 5s and A-list. From eating that humble pie, my hunger intensified. So fuck it, I gotta strive for greatness. Fuck it, I might just be the greatest. Your favorite rapper might try to copy the cadence. Cause they know I'm here to stay, I'm hustling every day. I'm working till I can say we made it. Whoa, 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 tryna move the family to the north side, ayy. Tryna watch the game sitting courtside, ayy. Tryna win a Grammy and I'm tryna make $1 million. I'm tryna make it there without a cosign. Self-made, only credits in the most high. Self-paid, the only way for a dropout. Put my name on the plate so you know mine. Windows tinted black bands when I roll by. Picture me rolling round in the Benzo, all black, windows tinted with the bass low. Same homies I was with from the get-go. Hold it down till it's slower than a limbo. Breaking bread, put the fam on my payroll. Never slip, better check who you with, bro. Ride or die chick, she won't get my info. Even if I sold packs with the endo. I got dreams of living life that's lavish. Work too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it. Dreams of living life that's lavish. Work too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it.
I'm jaded. See me in a drop top faded. Beaming to the top, yeah, I made it. Praying on God, I've been waiting.
Goddamn, why so wait? Hey.
So I'm done. I've washed them both, but with the hoodie, the outside was looking bad, guys. It was looking not the greatest. This is what it looked like. It was this color, which I don't like. But then I realized on the inside it's the orange I like. So I'm gonna wear it inside out like this, right? But to give it the same flair that I wanted to have, I'm gonna cut off this part here and make it distressed. I'll show you guys once I am done.